Welcome! In the next few minutes, we will show you how easy it is to connect your Bosch Smart Home Universal Switch to your Bosch Smart Home system. You can easily control your Bosch Smart Home appliances and scenarios at home with the Bosch Smart Home Universal Switch and Universal Switch Flex. For the installation of the Universal Switch, you will need the switch and the wall frame and other accessories supplied with them, which include suitable mounting aids according to the type of mounting required, possibly suitable tools, and a pre-installed smart home controller, and a smartphone with the Bosch Smart Home app. For the installation of the Universal Switch Flex, you will need the switch and tray supplied with it, a pre-installed smart home controller, and a smartphone with the Bosch Smart Home app. First, start the app. It will guide you through the process with simple step-by-step instructions. In the Management area, go to Devices and select the Add Device option. Highlight Universal Switch and press Scan to automatically connect the device to the system. Scan the QR code on the back of the device. When you are prompted to do so in the app, activate the device by pulling out the contact lug. The device is automatically connected to your Bosch Smart Home controller. You simply need to lay the Universal Switch Flex in the tray. Please heed the markings for the correct placement and ensure that the switch clicks in audibly. You can now position the Universal Switch Flex anywhere in your home you like, with no need for installation. You can easily mount the Universal Switch on any wall or other suitable surface, and use it like an ordinary light switch. If you are adhering it to a surface, fix the adhesive strips on the mounting plate and remove the protective film. Press the mounting plate firmly against the surface in the desired position. Please make sure that it is properly aligned and, if necessary, use a spirit level. If you prefer screw mounting, use the mounting plate to mark the position of the drill holes. After drilling the holes and inserting the screw plugs, you can screw on the mounting plate. You can now insert the wall frame and switch. Please heed the markings for correct placement and ensure that the switch clicks in audibly. In the app, select a room from the list or create a new room and enter a name for your new device. You can now easily assign appliances and scenarios to your Bosch Smart Home Universal Switches via the app and trigger them using the relevant switch. That's all there is to it. Do you have any more questions? Find out more on our website or contact our service department.